Hello and welcome to Unit 1, the beginning. Once again, I want to make sure that you continue to look ahead as we go through. Make sure to take a look at your due dates and also make sure to take a look at Chapter 6. Now, when you go to turn things in, I will reiterate this. Well, I guess that's reiterate if I reiterate again, I guess. One of the things you want to do when you finally get things done, when you submit your programs, I want you to also submit a link to you running the program and showing how you accomplished the particular task. Now, this is a very, very good way to go about saying, all right, so if I was supposed to accomplish X, Y, Z in the program this particular week, here's a video of me accomplishing that. So here's my list, and here's the actual program. I'm running my that's my list. I'm running my program. I'm telling him where it's at in the list, and I'm telling you, okay, this is where I accomplished this, and this is where I accomplished this. So I can see all that. And if you pull up a list and you're like, oh, I can't find where I accomplished this, unless you're okay with losing those points, you probably need to change that. A good place to look at creating this particular video is called Screencast-O-Matic. Now, I know that some of you are like, man, that's one more step, etc., etc. What's happened many times in the past is students will turn things in, it doesn't work for whatever reason. I have no choice but try to track down the student again, tell them, what didn't you turn in? Or what went wrong? And the student goes, well, it worked fine on my computer. And I'm like, well, I'm sorry, it doesn't work on mine. I can't, blah, blah, blah. And then bad things happen. If you create a video of you talking through the program, showing me where it works, showing me how you accomplish the tasks, I don't have to worry about all those things. I just, oh, it's here. Here's the program. It works perfectly fine. This is what goes on, et cetera, et cetera. So make sure that you have those elements in addition to worksheets, in addition to anything else that section tells you to do. I want to be able to see it working. So I can, yes, he's accomplished this task, or yes, she's accomplished this task, and this is how. And it allows for another double check. But as you go through, make sure that you hit the first responses are Wednesday. The first response to the discussion is Wednesday. The actual follow-up discussions are Friday. Everything is due on the Sunday, and that pattern kind of continues throughout. Also, make sure to take a look at the finals so you know what's going on as we approach the final week. I know this is week 1, but it never hurts. And if you think that you're going to run into some complications, because I believe we're February and we kind of run a little bit into March, spring break-ish. So if you think you're going to run and do some issues there, make sure to work ahead, that type of thing, please. So regardless, welcome to Unit 1. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Thank you.